Welcome back to Math Wizard Tutor. Today's video is about finding the vertex of a parabola. The vertex of a parabola is denoted by h, k, where h is equal to x and k is the same with y. So how do we get the vertex of a parabola? The first thing to note is we are going to use the formula. H is equal to negative b over 2a. So for example, we have the function y equals x squared minus 6x plus 8. The first thing to do is to identify our a from the function. So our a is the coefficient of x squared, which is equal to 1. And identify also our b. Our b is the numerical coefficient of x, that is negative 6. Bring down h equals negative, the b value is negative 6 over 2a. So 2, our a is 1. Then h is equal to negative times negative 6 is positive 6. 2 times 1 is 2. So you have h now becomes 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 3. So we found our h already, which is equal to 3. After finding the h, we are going to find our k. K is equal to y. So we will replace our y into k in the equation. So you have k is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 8. Then we are going to replace the value of x with the value of h, because we know h is the same with x. 3 squared minus 6 times 3 plus 8. 3 squared becomes 9. Then minus 6 times 3 is negative 18, then plus 8. 9 minus 18 plus 8 is negative 1. So your k now is equal to negative 1. Your vertex is equal to 3, negative 1. Easy? So the second method to find the vertex is by using the vertex form of quadratic function or quadratic equation. So the vertex form is noted by f of x is equal to a quantity x minus h quantity squared plus k. We are going to use the completing the square here to find our h and k. So we will take the same example. Y is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 8. So the first step to do is to move our 8 to the left side of the equation. So it becomes y minus 8 equals x squared minus 6x. To complete a square, we are going to add one term here on the right side and also add the same term on your left side of the equation. So how to get the third term is you are going to take b over 2 squared. So our b is negative 6 over 2, then we need to square it. So negative 6 over 2 is negative 3 squared. So negative 3 squared is 9. So we add 9 both sides of the equation. So you have plus 9 on the right and also add 9 on your left. So we simplify the left side by y minus 8 plus 9 is positive 1 equals the root of our first term, x squared, which is x, and the root of our last term, which is the root of 9, is 3. Middle term is minus, so our sign here is minus. Then you put squared. And after which we are going to move back our 1 from the left side to the right side of the equation. So you have y on your left, that is equal to quantity x minus 3 squared minus 1. If you notice, our equation now is in the format of the vertex form. So how to find our h and how to find our k? So our h is the value here, and we take the opposite of that, so it gives you 3. Opposite of negative 3 is positive 3, and we take the value of our k, which is negative 1. So our vertex is now 3, negative 1. So if you want to plot that in your Cartesian plane, this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. So you find 3 on your Cartesian plane, then negative 1. So your vertex is 3, negative 1. I hope you learned today's video. Thank you for watching.